Welcome to the new Pathway Platform demonstration, which is our enterprise level platform, jam-packed with features we think care providers will find exciting and useful. So the first place you want to start with our platform is by setting a branch structure. So if your company has multiple sites or multiple job roles and you want to set that up in terms of departments, you can do so through the branches tab. So we can take a look at the branches. You can see Angel Care. This is the company that we're in, and this is their branches under them. You can take a look at the organization chart, and you see Angel Care is at the top level, and underneath that you've got the users that are within Angel Care. The managers are highlighted in bold, and then you've got the sub-departments within Angel Care. You can drop those down to see which users are in them too. You can also have further sub-departments within these companies, and you can split them into day team, maintenance, night staff, or any way you choose. You can actually take a look at that particular branch. You can change its settings. You can look at the users who are assigned to those branches and take a look at some of their courses and how they're doing. So that is the first place that you'd start, by setting your branch structure.